Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the Shopify app called Loox. That's Loox. It is a review app that I personally use inside of my business. So let's jump into my computer and go over the app now. All right, so once you get logged into your Shopify admin store, as always, just like you add any app to your website, you will go to the app store right here on the left-hand side, and you will add the Loox product review app. So this is what it looks like for reference inside the app store. This is their little logo, and the official name and title is Loox product reviews and photos. So this is my website. This is my business. I use this app for my own business. That's why I love it so much. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how I use the app for my website and why I love this app over any other review app. So once you bring up the dashboard, you will see things based upon like the last 30 days, 90 days, or all time. And this is just like any other dashboard. You know, it just gives you a quick overview as to how your reviews are doing. So the first thing that I love about this app is the photo aspect of it. So you can set up emails to automatically send to your customers that ask for them to leave a review. And then if they post a photo, then they can get a discount. And Loox will generate a specific coupon code for your customer to use that is specific to just them. And that will also allow you to track if people are, coming back to your website and using that discount code for, other purchases. So that is a really neat aspect of it. And it just takes the brain work out of it. Like you don't have to worry about it. It's just all automatic. So I love that. You can also set the discount code to be whatever you want. So mine is 10%. So if someone posts a photo, Loox will generate a 10% coupon that's specific for them. And then if they come back to my website and they want to purchase something else, they can use that 10% off coupon code. So that's really neat. I also love the way that it's just designed. So like if you scroll down on the dashboard, you will see like yesterday, Kimberly, she left a lovely review. Thank you, Kimberly, if you're watching this. But she left a lovely review. And this is what I was mentioning about the photo. So my customers, because I'm a service-based industry, they leave their logo as the photo. So people can also go like check out their brand, check out their company. But let's say, you're a boutique and you're selling a shirt. So somebody leaves a review, they post a photo of them in the shirt and what it looks like. And then because they posted a photo, Loox will automatically generate a discount code for them to use next time they want to come back to your store and shop. People can also have the option of not posting a photo. So they don't have to post a photo if they don't want to. However, if they don't post a photo, then they won't get the discount. But, that's up to them as well. So this is another one from Molly and then from Trish, So your dashboard will show you all of your reviews. And then I love too how you can I love how it looks on your website. That's another thing. Some of the review apps, they look a little chunky to me. They don't look like clean and neat. And I love the way the Loox Review app looks on my website. So I'm going to pull this up for you now. So there's multiple different ways you can set it up to make it look how you want to on your website. I'll show you both. So on my website, if you go down to services, you will see different reviews. So you'll see all of the 5 stars, 19 reviews have been left for this package, 13 5 stars have been left for this package, 1, so on and so forth. Got more down here as well. So that's how it looks on the main product page. And then if you click the actual product and then you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the format of all the different reviews. So 19 5-star reviews and all the different reviews right here. So I love the way that this is formatted. It's just super clean. It's easy. And I'm all about clean and easy. So that's what it looks like on the actual product page. And then another thing that I love that Loox allows you to do is you can create an entire review page. So it's a page dedicated to just all reviews, and you can link it to your menu bar. So under info, I have a reviews page. So if I click on that, now you will see all of my reviews. So with the Loox app, I have collected 40 reviews, and you can go through and you can see, this is an example too of like a photo, you know, so Eileen, she bought the website calendar and she posted a photo of her having it pulled up on her laptop, you know, so people can get creative with their photos as well. But yeah, so this is a page that is dedicated to just strictly reviews. So, you know, if somebody comes onto your website and they want to see, like, okay, what are other customers saying about this brand? What are they saying about this company? You can have a designated page that is just strictly reviews that people can go through and they can read. And that also gains a sense of trust. So that is super important. And then just going back to the dashboard, if you click on reviews, you can go to collect reviews. And this is where you would manage collecting all of your reviews. So like review request timing, for example. So if you click on this, you can set it up to when do you want the email to send. So if you're a customer or if you're a business that sells a product, maybe you fulfill your item, but you know that the shipping time is going to take a little longer. So you would do maybe 7 days after fulfillment, because you want to make sure that you're timing your emails to send to your customers after they've received their item and they've had a chance to, you know, look at it, wear it, get a feel for it before you start sending them emails. So this is a huge section in Loox that I would highly suggest setting up. I am a service-based industry, so I just do 1 day because I don't have any shipping involved. But you could do 7 days, you could do 14 days, you could do 10 days, whatever the case may be. Just make sure you give your customers enough time to use the product before you send them an email asking them to leave a review. And then under emails, this is where you would go through and you would select what you want those emails to say, how many emails you want to send, when you want to do the review request reminder. So another thing about this Loox app is that, okay, let's say you send the first email requesting for your customer to leave a review and they don't do it. Well, you can do a review request reminder and say, okay, if they haven't left a review after, 4 days, send them another email reminding them to leave a review. So the email section of the Loox app is like one of my favorites because you set it up one time and then it just automatically does it for you. And then you just start collecting reviews and you don't even have to think about it. So we'll go back to the dashboard, and that is just a quick overview of the Loox app, why I love it, how I use it for my business. And let me know your thoughts and comments. If you're into learning how to build a website, different apps you can use for your website, how to use Canva, your email marketing, social media, just business things in general, then consider subscribing to the channel. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.